You are watching Manokamna Technical. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you the quiz on online training on social media for education conducted by CIET. So we are in the quiz section of the quiz on social media for education. So first question is, what is social media? The correct answer is websites and applications that enable users to create and share content or to participate in social networking. Next question, which one of these is not a type of instant messaging app? The correct answer is YouTube. Next question, which of these concerns is not true in terms of social media safety? The correct answer is not verifying with whom you are connecting. Let's move on to the next question. The next question is, which among these is the most popular social media platform available worldwide? The correct answer is Facebook. Next question, what is the fundamental step for assessing any social media platform? The correct answer is registration. Next question, increased social media monitoring shows lack of internet freedom. Next question, what is web 2.0 technology? It is technology with the help of which users can communicate and two-way communication is possible is the correct answer. Next question, which among the following means understanding an individual's perception, interest and values that would make users shop with a particular brand? It's psychographic. Next question, dash outreach of social media refers to activities on social media that are visible to your followers that you don't pay the platform to promote. The correct answer is organic. Next question, to get professional advice I can use. The correct answer is ask question on Quora. Next question, I should be a representative of an organization to start a page for that organization. The correct answer is true. I can bookmark by all of the above is the correct answer. I can highlight, annotate, add notes on. The correct option is none of the above. I can disable public comment on my posts on social media. The correct answer is yes. The age of social media handles is 13 years is the correct answer. As a teacher, school teacher who has conducted a successful event wanting to share details, I will consider as topmost priority. The correct option is privacy of people seen in the event is not compromised. The next question, engagement of students with the content shared can be found using. The correct option is comments, downloads and shares. Next question, why do educators need to be professionally active on Twitter? The correct answer is to broaden visibility, reach and impact what happens in the classroom. The next question, which of the following is not a utility of using hashtags on Twitter? The correct option is only helps in self-popularizing oneself. Which one of these is not Twitter etiquette? The correct option is abuse people. You want to upload a video on YouTube and share it with your students only. What privacy settings should you use? It's unlisted. One of the challenge of integrating YouTube in education is ensuring the reliability and accuracy of content. Next question. YouTube was launched in the year. The correct option is 2005. Next question. Which of the following is not a feature of YouTube? The correct option is synchronous video conferencing. The last question. For the first ever YouTube video is called. The correct option is Me at the Zoo. So, I have answered all the questions and all the answers are correct. So, please share this video with your friends and colleagues so that they can benefit with this video. And lastly, I want to say that please do like and subscribe my channel Manokamna Technical for further videos. Thanks a lot. Stay connected. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel Manokamna Technical.